You want them to fly?
We can try. I'm not sure whether I can take. Yeah. Okay. Do you mind if I take some photos of here? Yeah. Thank you. What's the name of your parrot?
This is Abu, that's Mushu.
Abu and Mushu.
Yeah.
So you bring them here to free fly.
Fly,
How long have you had them?
almost a year.
Wow, but they are beautiful. Do you have to spend a lot of time with them every day? Yeah, and for them to be trained to free fly.
Ask him to do his wing.
Wings? How do oh wow. There you go. And this? Nice. You want small? So cute. Two birds.
Thank you so much.
So it's like two of them, yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All the best, all the best.